assuming no denominator equals 0, which expression is equivalent to the given expression? And what this is this is a division problem. And what I like to say is that let's go old school on this. So I'm switching over here to my notebook paper, and as we take a look at this particular problem, what's going to happen is if I go old school, I'm going to rewrite this as 1 over a squared minus 2a minus 8 divided by a minus 5 over a minus 4. Now the thing that we need to remember when we're dividing is a little saying: when dividing, don't ask why, flip the second one and multiply. So this becomes 1 over a squared minus 2a minus 8 times. We're going to flip the second one. We're taking the reciprocal, and it becomes a minus 4 divided by a minus 5. What that we need to do to finish this particular problem is we need to factor a squared minus 2a minus 8. And once again, what we're going to do is we're going to split the middle. Remember, this is a 1, so it's 1 times 8 is 8. And our factors of 8 are 1 and 8, and 2 and 4. Well, we need to figure out what's going to combine to be 2, which is the 2 and the 4. Combine means either adds to b or subtracts to b. And once we determine that, then we can put the sign back in. It's going to be 2, so we get a squared plus 2a minus 4a minus 8. Notice that we split the middle into those values right there. And then we can group. Well, our greatest common factor in the first group is a. Over here, and again, this minus sign is really important. The greatest common factor between those two numbers is 4. It's the biggest value that divides into both. And then negative 4a divided by negative 4 is 2. And then what we see here to complete our factoring is that this is a plus 2 times a minus 4. So we can get close to finishing now on this problem. This becomes 1 over a plus 2 times a minus 4. We had flipped this because, and then what we're looking at is, do we have anything exactly the same on the top and the bottom of the fraction? And it doesn't matter that they're in different fractions. A minus 4 is the same as a minus 4. So when we finish this problem, we get 1 over a plus 2 times a. By the way, Edmentum might multiply those together sometimes, but let's go back and look at the problem. And luckily enough, they did not, and it is our first answer.